And with that, to strengthen the peace deal with Israel, President Trump seemed to undermine years of US sanctions on Iran. Trump on Truth Social said China can continue purchasing oil from Iran. Trump's sudden announcement caught oil traders and his own administration officials off guard. It's not clear how the shift will affect real oil flows. However, US Treasury and State Department officials have stated that they will continue to strictly execute relevant US sanctions on China. Economic sanctions on Iran include a strong restriction on purchasing oil from the country. Washington's Iran policy under multiple administrations have sought to cut the regime's main source of revenue by making it stop export off limits. Amid a flurry of posts demanding Israel and Iran cease hostilities, the president said on Truth Social, China can now continue to purchase oil from Iran. The president's statement comes just hours after he said Iran and Israel had agreed to a truce which began on a shaky note with early breaches on both sides. Oil trade seemed to be stumped by Trump's statement and uncertain as to how to interpret it. According to a Bloomberg report, a senior White House official hinted that sanctions would stay in place. The official said Trump's efforts over the previous few days prevented the Strait of Hormuz from being shut, and that would have had a catastrophic effect on China. The official said that was what Trump meant. However, State Department spokeswoman Tammy Bruce declined to provide further specifics. She said, I'm not going to get ahead of the president or try to guess what his strategy will be. Things happen quickly, and I think we'll find out sooner than later. The potential shift may ease some legal risks around China's buying of Iranian oil, and however, it's not clear what impact this change could have on actual flows. China is the world's biggest importer of oil and gets about 14% of its crude from Iran. For now, sanctions in place prohibit China from buying oil from Iran. The sanctions were imposed to deter Iran from enriching uranium to make a nuclear warhead. It's still unclear if US airstrikes over the weekend seriously damaged the country's nuclear facilities. The International Atomic Energy Agency still does not know what happened to Tehran's stockpile of 409 kilograms of highly enriched uranium, potentially enough for 10 nuclear warheads. So Trump's comment on allowing China to buy Iranian oil becomes even more confusing.